Josie Halley, Ace Ackerman, Peter Klein. And the winner is Peter Klein. Please come get your award. We have another ninth grade girl who has an outstanding voice. She has prepared a song that she would like to sing for you. Please welcome Wendy Hicken.
We love you, Wendy. That was me. Ow!
On my own, pretending he's beside me. All alone, I walk with him till morning. Without him, I feel his arms around me. And when I lose my way, I close my eyes and he has found me. In the rain, the rain shines like silver. All the misty in the river. In the darkness, the trees are full of starlight, and all I see is him and me forever and forever. As I know it's only in my mind that I'm talking to myself and not to him. And although I know that he is there is a way. I love him, but when the night is over, in his warmth, the river's just a river. Without him, the world around me changes. Trees are barren everywhere, the streets are full of strangers. I love him, but every day I'm learning. All my life I've only been pretending. His world will go on turning. The world is full of happiness that I had never known. I love him, but only on my own. Our ninth grade president, Camille Minster, also has another talent besides being a great leader. She will now play a piano number called Playing His Theme.
award goes to the best couple, and we decided to choose two couples. The nominees are Ryan Hensmeyer and Juliana Daly, Ellie Hartz and Chad Larson, Stephanie J and Chris Fair, Brianne Hurt and Joey Smith. And the winners are Brianne Hurt and Joey Spinlow, and Ellie Hartz and Chad Larson. Our bell tones this year are the best. They receive praise and respect wherever they perform.
Stop, okay? That's your part. That's your cue, I see that line, okay? You ready to stop? Acapella, guys, acapella. Come on, fellas.
Our nominees for the people with the hippest hair for the girls are Lindsay Ryan, Annie Hansen, and Rennie Kimber. For the boys, Chad Garner, Simon Peters, and Josh Porter. Our winners are Rennie Kimber, and Chad Garner. Come up. group of students who would like to dedicate this song to all the friends they have made while here at TH Bell. I would like to hope that you will all remain friends as you move on to Bonneville. They are Shauna Richter, Saleh Fortisatelli, Danny Nansen, Kurt Hadley, Jason Allen, and they're accompanied by Camille Minster.
I won't be afraid. I'll be alright if you help me. I know you're looking down from heaven, and I won't let you down. I'll be everything you taught me, and all that I know is always patiently to see you. So I never told you all I wanted to say, and now it's too late to hold you, 'cause you're far away, so far away.
Never had I imagined a living without your smile, feeling and knowing you hear me. It keeps me alive, alive. And I know you're so
I know you're looking down the way, and I know we won't let you down. I'll be everything you're saying, and all that I know is always patiently to see you with heaven. I never showed you. Soon you'll always be there. I took your presence for granted, but I always cared, and I miss the love we shared.